So here's how you can delete an album in a gallery on Android. Let me guide you through it. And if it's your first time being here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. Well, of course, you open up the gallery app where you need to switch from the main pictures tab to the albums right here. And there are some of the, like made albums by default, which are like the recents or favorites, but there are also albums which you have created yourself. And if you actually want to delete it, what you can do is to hold down on it and you will have the ability to select as many as you want. Right, so as you can see, I have one selected and then I can see the trash delete icon, which I can tap on and it will be deleted. I can select multiple of them and the same thing is going to happen. However, if I also select one of the essential albums like the favorites or recents, then the delete option disappears as it's not possible to delete those like main essential albums. But outside of that, it is pretty simple because you can manage the photos and the albums very simply. So yeah, I hope it makes sense. This is obviously how it works inside of this Samsung gallery on like a random Android phone, but it might work slightly different in, for example, the Google Photos or something where you can go to the collections and find some different sections in here and a different stuff. So as well, you will have the ability to organize stuff in a different camera apps or photos apps as well. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope that I was able to explain it. Hit the thumbs up if it worked out for you, and I will hopefully see you in the next videos as well.